guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is my full wash day routine. Not really a full wash day routine, but part of my wash day routine because I didn't really do most things on those video. So this is more of like a continuation from my previous video where I did a hot oil treatment, and this is the result after using heat on my hair and with the hot or with the oil on my hair also. So I totally forgot to unravel a particular twist, so you see how my hair feels like bouncing and all that. So anyways, I'm just going to rinse out all the oil, not really, off my hair, and also some product build-up, maybe products I used before my wash day and all. And I'm just going to rinse this off my hair before going in with the shampoo. In this video, I'm going to be making use of a Lotta Body shampoo. I came across that shampoo last year when I went to the supermarket to get some hair products, and I was like, let me just try this out because it was cheap compared to the shampoo I was making use of, because I don't know what's happening to Canton. Canton keeps getting expensive every day. In fact, all hair products gets expensive every day. Like, I don't know what's happening. So this Lotta Body shampoo was more of like the cheapest shampoo I saw there. I was like, okay, let me just get and try it out. And I fell in love with it. And since last year, I've been stuck with this baby because it makes my hair feel so soft and moisturize. Like, it doesn't strip off all the moisture from my hair after washing my hair. My hair feels so good, feels so soft, and I don't really know how to explain it, but my hair feels really, really good. So I was just going ahead to add more shampoo because I noticed that there was no shampoo at the back of the hair, and I just wanted to make sure that the hair is soaked with shampoo. I don't know if you know what I mean. But anyways, I always massage my hair whenever I get the chance to, because it always feels good. And that's why I like someone else to wash my hair for me. It feels good when someone else massage my hair, but I like washing my hair myself still. Wash day is not one of my favorite days because it's so stressful. Everywhere is so messy after your wash day, and in fact, washing the hair isn't the problem. It's the cleaning afterwards that is the problem. But anyways, I was just trying to twist back some of the twists that unraveled in the process of washing the hair, because I don't want my hair to like tangle and all, because I don't like using comb to detangle my hair. So I'm trying to make the work very easy for me after washing the hair. So I was just doing that, and I'm just washing the strands of the hair. After washing the roots, you want to wash the strand of your hair because it's part of your hair. Don't forget it. Anyways, after watching the hair, I just went ahead to make use of this particular scalp massager, or yeah, it's massager, IV massage massager. This voiceover is so chaotic. But anyways, I just like to massage my hair. Always feels so good. So I don't like to leave it out because it feels good. So I'm just going to rinse out all the shampoo from my hair. I don't know why it takes my hair longer time to let go of the shampoo, because I don't know why. And this particular day, I was already drained. I was tired. And I wanted this thing to just go off my hair. But I don't know what I did to the shampoo. It was just so much that it doesn't want to go off my hair. Then I told myself, see, I don't want to sleep under the shower for long hours. So I had to start unraveling or unravel. I had to unravel the twist so that I can rinse my hair properly and all the shampoo will let go of my hair. So that's what I just did because I was tired. I created content before this video, so I was so tired and stressed. I spent hours. Ah, but anyways, it's all for you guys, so I'm not complaining again. So I just had to rinse off all the shampoo from my hair, and then I'll go ahead to just moisturize my hair. I'm not going to be styling my hair in this video. I'm not going to be styling because I was so tired. I just allowed the water to just run through my hair because that always feels good also. So yeah, then I started looking for my towel for my hair. I couldn't find it, and I was wondering where did my towel go to. But I just grabbed my t-shirt from the bathroom. I was like, it's a clean t-shirt by the way, so I just said I was going to use it to dry my hair. Since I can't get my hair towel, I was just going to make use of those ones to just dry my hair. And this is also nice in drying hair because it doesn't strip your hair, or it doesn't add tension to your hair and put it that way. It's also good to use t-shirts to dry your hair, but my hair towel is actually a very nice material also. Anyway, so I just left my hair like this. I went to do some other things in the house, and then I came back to moisturize my hair. My hair is not completely dry yet. It's still like but let me say 80% dry, but still kind of damp. So I don't have to spray more water on my hair before moisturizing it. So I'm just going to be making use of three products to moisturize my hair. I'm making use of Dark and Lovely Leave-In Conditioner, goat oil, and then hair butter. So the goat oil and the hair butter are actually my product, but I don't sell them anymore. But I still do DIY for myself. So I'm just going to section my hair so that it will be easier for me to moisturize. It's always easy when you work in sections. Like, it's super easy when you work in sections. So that's what I was just trying to do, and I did that already. And I'm just going to go ahead to moisturize my hair. So I'm making use of the leave-in conditioner first before going ahead with the oil and then the butter. So I started using new products like the Dark and Lovely. I just started using it like not too long. This is the first bottle I'm using, and it doesn't really make my hair feels good. I don't know. It doesn't absorb into my hair immediately. My hair rejects it. I don't think my hair like Dark and Lovely leave-in conditioner. I think I have to go back to my Aunt Jackie leave-in conditioner or Canton. But until this bottle goes off, or until the bottle finishes, or until this particular one is exhaust, oh my god, English is so difficult. But anyways, until I'm done with this particular one, I'm not getting, because hair products are not very expensive. So after the oil, I went ahead to make use of the hair butter. I don't really like this butter still because it didn't really absorb into my hair that well. So I'll just have to fall back to my DIY hair butter, where I make use of shea butter that absorb into my hair easily. So after doing that, I just had to twist my hair in smaller sections so that it will be easier for me to style if I want to style the next day, or if I want to style next 2 days, if I want to style the next 3 days, or if I just want to leave my hair like this the whole week. I do that a lot because I don't go anywhere. So I work from home, I have a business, and I hardly go out. So I just leave my hair like this in twist, and I let it be throughout the week. Then probably just spray water and leave-in conditioner, or rosemary water and add leave-in conditioner to it, maybe sometime in the week. But yeah, that's basically all I do after I wash my hair. I just moisturize and then put them in smaller twists, because it's always fine when you have a twist out look, like a style, a twist out style for your hair, high puff, and those nice twists at the tip. I don't really like using comb on my hair. I just make use of finger detangle, or I finger detangle my hair. I don't know why English is hard for me to like. I don't know what's happening today. This voiceover is so chaotic, but you guys are going to manage it like this, because I cannot do this voiceover again. This is like the fourth time I'm doing the voiceover, and it's still happening like this. Maybe this is how God wants me to post the video. But anyways, I like to finger detangle my hair. I hardly use comb on my hair, and still try it. It's very nice. Like, it's reduced breakage, and there. There's no much tension on your hair. Just your finger trying to go through, and yeah, and it also keeps the coils simple and not again another banger. Anyways, so I just put my hair into smaller twists. I don't know, the voiceover. Oh God, you guys would manage my voiceover like this, please. I promise to get better soon. I will get better. I'm just trying to get used to this long voiceover, because I'm used to short voiceover and all that. So anyways, after putting my hair into smaller twists, I'm just going to pack them into one what is called this stuff? High packing, one bun. So I'm just going to pack my hair and then I will be done. Then probably whenever I'm ready to style my hair, it's be so easy for me to style. Sometimes I mat my hair into two, like I just make it like a corn roll into two, and then I'll just leave it like that. But today I just decided to use twist because probably be going out like in next 2 days or so, and I like that twist out look. And that's the end of the video, guys. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a new video. And please, please, please like this video so that it can go far. You have seen it, don't you want someone else to see it and also take care of their natural hair? Please like my video, subscribe, and share. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.